Homeowners have realized some absolutely fantastic and historically unprecedented values over time. These last few years have put quite a bit of value into homes and ultimately can put quite a bit of money in your pocket. Curious how you can unlock that value? I've got 3 ways. As you pay your mortgage down and your home value increases, the gap between the two is called equity. With inflation affecting everybody's day-to-day life and whispers of another recession floating out into the air, it's really important as a homeowner to be educated, to make sure that you understand exactly how your equity can work for you so that you can leverage your asset to your advantage. So the first thing to do is to figure out how much equity you have. How much do you owe on the property? How much could you sell it for? What's the gap in between? Once you get an idea of that number, you can start to decide how and if you want to use it. The first way you can use it is to buy a home that fits your needs. Depending upon the amount of equity that you have, you could use it to move into your next home. Do you need a pool? Or something bigger? A different commute? Or perhaps you need something smaller? According to the latest Equity Insights report from CoreLogic, the average borrower with a home loan has almost $300,000 in equity right now. With that kind of potential equity, that gives you the opportunity to sell your current property and put a massive down payment on the next one so that your mortgage is really, really cheap. Or if you're downsizing, perhaps that's enough equity to just buy your next house outright and not have a mortgage at all. If packing up and moving is not exactly your goal, the second thing that you can do is you can reinvest into your current property. According to a recent survey from Point, 39% of homeowners would invest in home improvement projects if they chose to access their equity. And that's the important thing, is just because you have the equity doesn't mean you need to tap into it, but it's really good information to have. So if you decide to do a refinance and pull cash out of your home, you could use it for home repairs, a remodel, an addition, and really use it to customize your property and make your house a home. Pro tip, make sure you think long and hard about which projects you're doing. If you go too custom, you want to think about how that's going to affect resale. Make sure that your renovations make sense. There's certain upgrades like hardwood floors or a new roof that are going to add a lot of value to your home. But before you go crazy and put a custom mosaic of your family's faces in the kitchen floor, think long and hard about how that's going to age over time. And the third equity opportunity that you have as a homeowner is to pursue your dreams. Perhaps you're looking to go back to school and get an advanced degree, or maybe there's a business venture you've been dying to get started. The equity in your home could allow you to do this. Now, this one does come with a bit of a warning and the need to think long and hard about your choices, because you should never pull money out of your house for unnecessary spending, like to buy a depreciating asset like a car or a boat, or to fund a business that may not have any chance at all at succeeding. But if there's a professional goal that you're seeking, this could provide the leverage that you need to get that jump start into your future. And when it comes to thinking about your future, sometimes it seems so ethereal and far off, but what I want you to really focus on is the fact that home ownership has time and time been proven again and again to be the path to wealth. And if you're wanting to set up generational wealth, please let's have a conversation, because home ownership is such a phenomenal way to get there. I'm Lindsey Johnson, your resource for all things real estate. See you next time.